Yeah, this is quite heavy firing, and some of these rounds are coming across the position that we're in. We were taking cover, so quite clearly this isn't over as we suspected. See, there's now a helicopter flying above. They're usually in the air when the firing is taking place. Sometimes they're covering fire themselves, or he's certainly giving positions to the Kenyan forces. So clearly, this situation continues. As we suspected, Al-Shabaab gunmen, some may have been killed, but others are certainly moving around, and it's been quiet for the last couple of hours, but certainly it seems to have ignited itself once again.